Jake cutting up the lettuce. Most of the tomatoes are done. We've grown out of Reagan's garden. My name's Mantine.
Look at that shredding up.
Good job, Ma. Oh yeah. I'm in Savannah shredding up the meat.
Great job, Ray Ray.
Alright, we got Jake and Meg rolling all of the dough for the fry bread. And we got all the kids playing some games.
We have Kuya, Jake, Meg, and now Ate Ray Ray. And then here we have Mom seasoning all the chili meat.
We got Kuya Jim Boy, fry cook. It's looking perfect. No, it's golden. The Chismis crew hiding in the back room. I'm just kidding. Whoa. Baby sis Aspen.
Okay, now let's also take the
How was it, Ray?
Let's see.
And we're doing sopapillas for dessert. Finally time to relax.
Tell me about it.